Afternoon, people. Hope everyone's okay. It's the 29th of March. Everyone's on lockdown, quarantine, coronavirus, 5G, whatever your conspiracy theory is. There's so much going around at the moment. But yeah, all the barbers are closed, so things are looking a bit rough around the edges. But yeah, as you know, I've been trying to widen the back end of my kids' quad. Message. Yeah, I found the place that did the spacers. I've now got the spacers back, so if I just switch this round. So this is the spacer that he's done for me. He's done a mint job, so as you can see, got a little ridge there for the wheel to sit on. These are 2 inches, which are 50mm, which seems to be what people have been doing. 2 inch either side. As you can see, the bolts go straight the way through onto the hub, and that will then sit onto the drive shaft. The nut will go through there, and then it should space the wheel out. So I'm actually going to have to take these off because obviously the wheel needs to sit there. I'll show you what it looks like in a second. Okay, as you can see, I've separated it, took the bolts out, got the hub there, got the spacer, got the wheel. So that side with the valve there is obviously the outside, so put that face down. Spacer needs to go on the inside. Obviously that side of the spacer, one with the ridge, needs to go in there for it to locate. That locates, so that's good. I'm really happy that he decided to put a ridge on or a lip on so it locates. As you can see, the holes there, that's lined up. Now we have the hub. So I'll just put the hub on there, line that up. Okay, so he's actually made it so the hub, see that little ridge there, that ridge sits in there. So that's going to add strength, take a lot of the stress off the bolts. So I'm really impressed with the attention to detail that he's done. So that's lined up there. And then just got the bolts to put through from the other side. We'll need to put the phone down. I'll show you what it all looks like in a second. And there we have the finished product. So you can see that spacer sits in between the wheel and the hub. Should make the back axle a lot wider.